You ain't ever had no lawyer show you all the things that we done showed you in a special way you feel. When we giving tips, gon' always be there for you. That's what we told you and better believe it. Say we ain't never had another lawyer like you. Now I done been with different kind of lawyers, so I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all like. Let me stop. Thank you so much for joining us today. I am Marquel Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers, back with another What Does That Mean Wednesday? It's our favorite day of the week. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between pro bono and contingency. Although both of these types of payments with lawyers seem like they might be the same thing because they have some overlap, pro bono is not contingency and contingency is not pro bono. When a lawyer says they're going to take your case pro bono, we're going to find out what that means. When a lawyer says they'll take your case on contingency, we're going to find out what that means. We're going to talk about the differences. We're going to break them down. Pro bono versus contingency. What does that mean? We'll start with pro bono. Pro bono is short for the Latin phrase pro bono publico, which means for the public good. This means that when a lawyer says they're going to take your case pro bono, they're going to perform services for free or at a significantly lower cost. Professionals in many fields offer pro bono work, not just lawyers. And a lot of times, lawyers like to offer their services and give pro bono work to public organizations, to nonprofit organizations, or to people of lower income. But pretty much, when a lawyer tells you they're going to take your case pro bono, they mean that they're going to take your case free or at a very low cost. On the other hand, a contingency fee arrangement is when you pay a lawyer a percentage of your settlement or your winnings at the end of your case. It's very similar to pro bono work in that there may be a low or no cost option up front, but contingency is different in that you will pay your lawyer after you win. In a personal injury context, you've seen the commercials. We don't get a cent unless you win. This is often describing a contingency fee scenario. In a contingency fee scenario, the lawyer puts up all of your upfront costs. And then, if you were to win your case, the lawyer or law firm will receive a percentage of what you win. Unlike pro bono work, contingency fees are not free. While they may appear to be free in the beginning or the outset because you aren't paying any costs up front and that the lawyer or law firm is taking care of those for you, it's unlike pro bono work in that once you win or finish your pro bono case, you won't owe the lawyer anything. When you finish a contingency case, if you win, a percentage of your winnings will go to your lawyer for helping you. In other words, for pro bono, the easy way to understand it is someone's throwing you a bone. They're doing it for free. Pro bono. If someone is offering you a contingency fee, on the other hand, it's contingent. It depends on whether you win. And if you win, you will be responsible for giving your lawyer a percentage of your winnings for helping and for taking your case. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today for another What Does That Mean Wednesday? Pro bono versus contingency. What does that mean? Once again, I am Marquel Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers. Protect your brand, grow your business, stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.